Title: Mastering State Management in React.js, a comprehensive guide introduction. Welcome back to our React.js learning series. In this episode, we're diving deep into the world of state management, one of the core concepts that powers dynamic and interactive user interfaces in React. If you've ever wondered how to handle changing data in your components, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of state management and how it works within the React ecosystem. The need for state management. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you're building a counter component, and you want the number to increase whenever a user clicks a button. But how do you keep track of this changing number? This is where state management comes in. Introducing State. React provides a fantastic solution called State. State is a way to manage and store data that can change over time. We use the useState hook to create and manage state within our functional components. It's like giving your component a memory to remember things. Setting up state. Let's see how it works in action. We import the useState hook from React, then declare a state variable. Let's call it count and its setter function. The count variable will hold our changing data. Updating state now. When the user clicks the button, we call the setter function to update the count state. This triggers a re-render of our component with the new state value, effectively updating the UI. Immutability. It's important to note that we don't modify state directly. React follows the principle of immutability, which means we create a new state object with the updated data. This ensures proper tracking of changes and maintains the integrity of our application's data flow. Complex state objects. State isn't limited to simple variables. You can also manage more complex data structures like objects or arrays. Just remember to maintain immutability by creating new instances when updating these structures. Sharing state between components. But what if you need to share state between multiple components? Well, that's where you might consider using context or external state management libraries like Redux. These tools allow you to manage state at a higher level, making it accessible to different parts of your application. Conclusion. So there you have it, the essence of state management in React. By using the useState hook, you can seamlessly handle changing data within your components. Remember, React state management keeps your UI in sync with user interactions, creating responsive and engaging user experiences. Thanks for joining us in this deep dive into state management. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. Happy coding, and see you next time!